How to set up Find My AirPods. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to set up Find My for your AirPods. This feature helps you locate your AirPods if they go missing. So let's get started. First, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone or iPad. Open the AirPods case near your device and you should see a pop-up connecting to them. Ensure they are paired and connected. Now go to your iPhone or iPad's home screen and open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu to access your Apple ID settings, and from here select Find My. Make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. This is crucial because Find My AirPods relies on this feature. You'll also want to ensure Send Last Location is enabled, which sends the location of your AirPods when the battery is critically low. Now, go back to the main Settings menu and select Bluetooth. Find your AirPods in the list and tap the eye icon next to them. Ensure that Find My is listed under the AirPods settings, which confirms their link to Find My. If you need to find your AirPods, open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad, tap Devices and select your AirPods from the list. You'll see their last known location and can play a sound to help locate them. And that's it, you've set up Find My for your AirPods, so now you can easily locate them if they go missing. For more tips and tutorials, check the description below, and thanks for watching.